Boxelder bugs spend most of their time outdoors on rocks, trees, and logs, but come winter they'll infest our homes to stay warm, and by spring they'll emerge from hiding and appear throughout our living spaces. In this video, we'll show you how to treat your infestation and how to prevent Boxelder bugs from coming back next winter. If you'd like to shop the professional products in this video and learn even more about Boxelder bug control, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the links in the description below. Boxelder bugs measure to be about half an inch in length and 1/3 of an inch wide. They're shaped similarly to sunflower seeds, but they have distinctive red and orange lines on the thorax, wings, and along the edges of their bodies. Start by inspecting the outer perimeter of your structure. Overwintering pests can use features like vents or chimneys to access our homes. They can also use openings found along walls, among door seals, window frames, utility openings, and cracks within the foundation. Also, note any damaged or missing window screens. Indoors, you're looking for pest activity. Overwintering pests will cluster together around heat sources or hide in enclosed cracks and crevices. You can check behind and under large appliances that generate heat. Look underneath plumbing and behind electrical plates. Check your cabinets and cupboards. Finally, look in less frequented parts of your home, like your attic or basement, for spots hidden away in tight spaces. Before starting, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, especially when you handle any chemicals. Begin treatment with Reclaim IT. Reclaim IT is a liquid repellent insecticide concentrate that's labeled to control over 70 different pests and offers a residual of up to 90 days. The mix rate can vary for different pests, so always read the label for proper mix and usage rates. Since we're using Reclaim as a perimeter treatment, use 1 ounce of Reclaim per gallon of water per 1,000 square feet. With the pump sprayer, add the water, add Reclaim, shake the sprayer, and you're ready to start. Create a barrier around the structure of your home by spraying 3 feet up the structure and 3 feet out. Next, spray areas around windows, doors, eaves, air vents, plumbing, garage doors, light fixtures, basement or crawl space openings, and any other openings you may have found. Once you've treated your perimeter, start your indoor treatment with Pyrid. Pyrid is an insecticide aerosol that delivers a quick knockdown, but offers no residual. Use this to flush out clusters of pests you may have found. To apply Pyrid in broad areas like around windows, make sure the white applicator is attached, shake the can well, and spray in swift, sweeping motions. To apply Pyrid in tight cracks and crevices, use the provided red applicator tip. Simply remove the white applicator, replace it with the red, and make sure the straw is affixed in the spout. Shake the can well, spray, and move the applicator swiftly along the length of the crevice. Keep people and pets away from treated areas until dry and vapors have dispersed. Finally, round out your treatment with D-Fense dust. D-Fense dust is a ready-to-use insecticidal dust that's perfect for hard-to-reach areas. If left undisturbed, this dust can last up to 8 months. Use a handheld duster to apply D-Fense dust under appliances, behind baseboards, wall voids, behind electrical plates, and in the attic. You can stop Boxelder bugs from entering your home by keeping up with pesticide treatments and addressing the entry points you found during your inspection. Close up small entry points outside of your structure with copper mesh and caulk. Repair damaged screens and door seals. Trim back vegetation, including any overhanging branches from nearby trees. Finally, be sure to apply Reclaim IT every 90 days for guaranteed control. Boxelder bugs can easily take over homes, but you can control them yourself with these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn. We guarantee these products will help you get control of your Boxelder bug problem, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you liked this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.